Across the globe, from the depths of our oceans to the peaks of towering mountains, our planet breathes. While we often marvel at the beauty of nature, there exist forces of immense power, capable of reshaping the very landscape we call home. These are not the famed volcanoes etched in our collective memory, like Vesuvius or Mount St. Helens, whose stories of destruction are well known. Join me as we explore these sleeping giants, from the simmering caldera of Campi Flegrei to the ice-clad slopes of Öræfajökull, and discover the delicate balance between beauty and untamed energy. Our journey begins on the sun-kissed shores of Italy, where a slumbering giant lies beneath the bustling city of Naples and the picturesque Gulf of Pozzuoli. Campi Flegrei, a name that whispers of ancient fires, is not your typical volcano. Instead of a towering cone, we find a vast caldera, a cauldron-like depression stretching miles wide, a scar left by eruptions of unimaginable scale. Though it slumbers now, its breath can be felt in the warm earth, the sulfurous gases that seep from its pores, and the subtle tremors that ripple through the ground. Scientists keep a watchful eye on Campi Flegrei, for its awakening could have global consequences. The sheer volume of ash and gas ejected into the atmosphere could blanket the sun, potentially impacting global temperatures and agriculture. Join me as we venture next to the towering peaks of the Pacific Northwest, where another slumbering giant awaits. Towering over the bustling metropolis of Seattle, Mount Rainier stands as a majestic sentinel, its snow-capped peak a beacon visible for miles. But beneath its serene beauty lies a heart of fire, a reminder that nature's tranquility can be fleeting. Mount Rainier is a stratovolcano, built up over millennia by layers of lava and ash. The heat from the volcano's core can melt the glacial ice, creating lahars, torrential mudflows capable of sweeping down the mountainside with devastating force. In the shadow of Mount Rainier lies a patchwork of towns and cities, home to millions who live with the knowledge that this sleeping giant could awaken with little warning. Yet, even in the face of such power, life finds a way. The slopes of Mount Rainier teem with diverse ecosystems, a testament to nature's resilience. Next, we travel south, to the land of ancient civilizations, where another volcano stirs. Our journey takes us now to the heart of Mexico, where a plume of smoke rises against the azure sky, a constant reminder of the fiery power that lies beneath. This is Popocatépetl, affectionately known as Popo by the locals, a name that belies its awesome power. Popocatépetl is one of the most active volcanoes in North America, its slopes bearing witness to centuries of eruptions. The ancient Aztecs chronicled its fiery temperament in their codices, their stories interwoven with tales of both reverence and fear. Today, millions live within Popocatépetl's shadow, their lives intertwined with the rhythm of the volcano's breath. Scientists monitor its every tremble, every exhalation of gas and ash, for signs of an impending eruption. Join us as we leave the mainland behind, venturing to the fiery heart of the Pacific, where the very islands themselves are born of fire. Our voyage brings us to the Hawaiian archipelago, islands forged in the fiery heart of the Pacific. Amidst sapphire waters and lush landscapes, we find Kilauea, synonymous with volcanic power. Kilauea, one of the most active volcanoes, shapes the island of Hawaii. Magma flows like rivers of fire, creating new land with each eruption. The air is thick with sulfur, and the ground rumbles as lava flows to the sea. Kilauea reminds us that our planet is a living, evolving entity. We now turn north, to the land of fire and ice, where a giant slumbers beneath ice. Our final destination is Iceland, the land of fire and ice. Here lies Öræfajökull, an ice-covered volcano, its summit hidden beneath a thick mantle of ice. For centuries it has slumbered, but now it shows signs of unrest. Increased seismic activity indicates magma is rising within its depths. An eruption could trigger massive floods, reminding us of nature's power. From the simmering caldera of Campi Flegrei to the ice-clad slopes of Öræfajökull, we have witnessed the awe-inspiring power of volcanoes, forces that have shaped our planet for millennia. Though they often slumber for generations, their presence is a constant reminder of the dynamic forces at work beneath our feet. Ongoing monitoring and research are crucial to understanding these fiery giants and preparing for the day when they inevitably awaken. Support the organizations that monitor these volatile wonders, for by understanding them, we can better protect ourselves and appreciate the delicate balance of our planet.